At Trinity Consultants, we specialize in tackling the toughest challenges in the life sciences industry by harnessing the power of data and cutting-edge technology. One of the ways we accomplish this is by merging our engineering domain knowledge in pharmaceutical and biotechnology with artificial intelligence to deliver insights that can help our clients make critical decisions quickly. We don't just deliver an AI or data analytics tool, we accompany our client on their digital factory journey. This means we work with the client to define a use case, ensure that we have the appropriate data, and then visualize the results based on the customer requirements. With Plant Metrics, our advanced AI and data analytics platform, you can connect all your manufacturing data sources in one place. It aggregates and visualizes the data, offering real-time analytics in an interactive, user-friendly dashboard environment. Equipped with powerful machine learning algorithms, Plant Metrics helps you detect anomalies, predict outcomes, and receive instant notification so you can stay ahead of the curve. We are using Plant Metrics to empower our customers to focus on what truly matters: manufacturing life-saving medicine.